Hello, thank you so much for joining us at the Seasoned Rider. This is going to be a Seasoned Rider quick tip. I have to replace the charging cable that's directly wired to the fuse box. So it just turns on and off when you turn the ignition off. So you don't have to do anything. If you walk away from it, it's not going to be discharging your battery at all. And there's the wire there, see? And underneath there, I think I set the tank down on it. So off with the faux tank and the seat. Won't take but a minute. I've been meaning to get to this, but riding season has arrived. Even though it's still technically winter in New England. It's about 60 degrees out right now. First thing is off with the seat. I use these, but I have smaller ones in my toolkit. You know, the little L-shaped ones, because no hex head tools came with the Honda toolkit. So we got a 6 on this side, and there we go. And an 8 on the other. Is designed to be adjustable forward and back in situ. I even added the spring one time so that it would work. It's completely not necessary, but it could move that forward and back a little bit if you needed to. So the seat comes off first. And that reveals these two fasteners here to take the tank off. I'll set it on the Rickman. That looks awesome. She did it. I have plans to make the first Rickman chopper. That's a good look. I like it. Yep. Just realized I'm assuming that I have one. Another one. I'm not exactly sure. This is a nice setup though. This is an available block on the fuse box to directly wire something right to the ignition. So it turns on and off. with your key. So no risk of it discharging your battery if you walk away from it. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to worry about taking your phone out of it or anything. Okay, what do I need here? JIS screwdriver. Oh, I meant to disconnect the battery before I did this. We'll be all right. Okay. I got to do some battery maintenance anyway. I want to put a plug to attach the trickle charger to it. But I'll be all right. So I just undid the positive first. The negative. I like this one. It has a fusible link. Fuse looks good. I thought I saw where this was damaged. So I thought maybe I'd be able to just fix it. Cut it, splice it, solder it. Maybe I'll take it in on the bench. Test it out. Well, we have power to the charger. And this is connected to the phone I'm recording with right now. And the phone's not charging. So it's the phone cord maybe. All right, well, then I probably have something in the house I can work with. Okay, well that works. Ah, that's kind of cool. All right. Stick it back on the old wing. I'm glad I took a few minutes to test that out because it was not the wiring, the power wiring. It was the cord, the charging cord. Do I have this right? Hold on a second here. And, you know, get on with our lives. Right? Is that good? Yeah, sure, that's good. That wouldn't be. On over the top, just like the last 20 times. There we go. We're in business. wire tie this excess in a bundle. Let's see. Perfect. Tie it all away. Okay, let's try this again. Well, it doesn't indicate it why it's recording, but it does when it's not recording. I'm going with it's fixed. All right, good. It charges. When it plugs in, it is charging. So we're in business. Great. So this phone here and Google Maps, that's for finding an address. Planning a route for a road trip or a cross-country tour, that's what the paper maps are for. This is how you plan a road trip. That was weird.